Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing project number 2, which is this lovely card right in the middle here. So let's go ahead. We need the happy birthday stamp, the older, wiser, better, the birds and the bulrushes. We also need our greeting tag and another greeting die cut. We need the little bicycle. We need this little piece of boardwalk. We need this front and this one. So let's go ahead and do our stamping. For this one, I am going to do the birds. And the birds are going to go on here like this. Okay. And the bulrushes are going to go right here, and we're doing a second one on this side right here. Okay, so we've got that done. Now I need to put the happy birthday. I'm just going to move that all off to the side for a minute. I'm going to do the happy birthday. And this goes on here like this. So happy birthday. And then we're bringing in this one and the older, better, wiser. And this is going to go right in the middle of this one. Let's see if I can make sure we're straight. And there we go. Okay, so that's all done. Let's bring our card front in. And what do we need to do? So this is where we do all of our adhesive. Okay. And I need this one, and it gets adhesive like this. The bike gets dimensionals, the happy birthday gets dimensionals, and the older, better, wiser, better gets dimensionals. So let's grab our dimensionals out. And we are just going to town with the dimensionals on this one. So we're putting them each in a corner and in the middle like this. And I am going to have to break out a new sheet of these anyway, but I will have used most of this one. I will keep it because I will continue to use the edges. I'll just cut them out. Okay, we're like that. And then the bicycle has them all over the place. Let's just pull this one in a little bit, and there we go. And here and here. This bicycle, I'm sorry, is not going to go anywhere. It's going to be fixed right down. Okay, let's get another partially used one out so that I can finish it up. And this piece gets 3 on it as well. So like there and there. And then this one gets 3 as well. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. I need tear and tape. I need longer pieces for here. I need one at the top like that. And then one at the bottom like that. And then one on the piece of boardwalk. There we go. Okay, move that off to the side. Okay, so let's build this card. Okay, so we're just going to make sure all those are squashed down and then just peel them off. So, and I thank everyone for their patience while I was away. Sometimes I didn't get to your comments until the evening or sometimes the next morning. I didn't have data while I was in the States. So I was waiting till I had Wi-Fi in the room to answer everybody's comments. So thank you very much for your patience while I took some time to get back to you. Okay, so let's peel the backings off here. There we go, that one. And then this one off here. And I've got a little bit of adhesive over the edge, so I'm just going to roll it back. And then this goes down kind of a little bit higher up, not in the middle side to side, but not in the middle top and bottom. Okay. And now I need to put the bicycle on. So let's just make sure those are all on tight. So our tour was with Corbin Tours. They're out of Saskatchewan in Canada. And the lady who runs it, Coralie, is amazing. I love going on tours with her. We went down to Paducah, Kentucky for Quilt Week. And then we went across to Missouri Star Quilt Company and just had a blast. Did lots of sightseeing along the way, lots of shopping along the way. We hit a Hobby Lobby or two because we don't have Hobby Lobby here in Canada. So yes, we were all very excited to do all of those excursions. So this one is going to pop down about right here like that. And then we're going to take our older, wiser, better. I keep getting those in the wrong order. And we're going to put this down like this. And it's centered, right? It is centered. And we're just going to pop that right across like that. And now we need to take our little pebbles, and I need 3 of them. I need 1 large and 2 small. And they are going to go around the base of this set of bulrushes. And we're going to do this. And that. Okay. So again, I'm just going to fold this over. I'm going to use my block like that. And there is our second project. So stay tuned for project number 3, which will be coming up next.